right turn.
Well, it seems like
Alamira Road.
I've been getting all the strange stuff here lately, which not surprising, is it? Really? I shouldn't be surprised. I always get the weird stuff. This is not that weird, but I am gonna supposedly load a boat into a moving van this morning, so I thought I'd bring you guys along. It's right around the corner here. Let's see here. Right.
Approaching left turn, Baxter Street.
Right around the corner here on Baxter. Ooh, speed bump. Oh. Next street. Should be sitting right out here in the front, that's what I'm hoping.
Approaching destination on the right, Baxter Street.
There's the van. I just gotta find the boat. Alright, so we're on the skid plate. I'm just gonna bring it on up. So we're all loaded. I've just got one chain on the back just to hold it long enough to get it over to the moving van. We'll offload it there. I'm going to drop the stinger, so I don't want the back dipping on me. What I'm going to do is put it right on this metal right here. One of you guys want to watch this? So I want to put it right on this metal piece right here. Just trying to get right in the center of it. Whoops, bring this up.
What? Barely fits?
Yeah, just barely.
Watch
Right.
the pro. Pass me some pads.
Looking okay? That's how you load a boat into a moving van. Pretty simple process. I really hated that I missed one a while back. I had an aircraft tug I loaded onto a trailer. I should have got that one, but I didn't have my camera with me. What a dummy. Aircraft tug is what they are, is one of those little things they hook on the front of a jet and tow it around the hangar, or the hangar area. I think you know what I'm talking about. Back at the lot, and I've got to turn in tow bills. I'll see you in the ditch.